I just want to do a quick video about my workbench slash desk. Because, you know, it may not look like much, but I absolutely love this. And I got lucky someone was going to throw it out, get rid of it, because of, you know, obviously the condition that it's in, and it's old and heavy. My God, it's heavy. But I was lucky to get this because I was looking for something like this, a heavy, sturdy desk that I could have like in a workshop, in a garage, if that ever happened. And this thing is like straight out of, I don't know, like 1940 or something, or like it feels like it's out of a Christmas story, you know? This was definitely a teacher's desk, and I love it. It's sturdy, and right now it's holding an immense amount of weight without even flinching. All this cast iron stuff back here weighs so much. I'm talking like a couple 100 pounds anyway, with all this stuff here. And it's just been a solid workhorse of a bench for the things that I've thrown at it so far. It's got the, you know, space inside the drawer. I don't have the lock key, but don't need it anyway. You know, it's got your other drawer here, your wooden drawer. It did have a locking bar on it that I took off because I don't need to lock my drawers. Nice deep drawer in there. And one thing that I really love about it, and always kind of forget, is it's got this little work surface, you know, for marking the homework, such as it was. But it's also great for working on. It's pretty sturdy itself. And here's what I actually really love about the desk the most, because it was obviously a teacher's desk. And how I know that mainly is because at one point the students definitely tried to get their confiscated goods or the test answers or their homework back by trying to pry into there. And I don't think it was defeated. So I don't know who those people were, but sorry it didn't work out for you. But I love that it's got that kind of story on there. You know, I'm not a nostalgic person looking back at the history of stuff, but I just think that that's absolutely hilarious. You know, like that this desk does tell a story of students trying to get in there for one reason or another. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to talk about that a little bit and see if anybody has any ideas for how to improve this as a workstation, because I'm getting those parts off of there, and I want to kind of make it work better for me. But I'd love to know what kind of I'd love to see your setups, your shops, or your work areas, because I'm always fascinated in seeing what people come up with. And yeah, just a quick look around mine briefly, but yeah, so that's all I really wanted to say. You know, love the desk, love to see yours, and if you got something to say about it, hit me up in the comments. I try to respond to all my comments, you know, when I see them. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.